Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This video is the ultimate review of Marriott Bay Veligama Resort. I'll share everything that is there in the property to do, from our check-in experience to the room to all the activities that you can do. This video will be a one go-to video of what to expect at Marriott Bay Veligama. So let's go. So guys, we're waiting for the check-in and this is their waiting lounge. और यहाँ पे भी बढ़िया व्यू दिया हुआ इन लोगों ने. We have got welcome drinks. I've got blackcurrant. Which one is yours? This is like a blue grasso, I think. So यहाँ अभी चेक इन करेंगे, उसके बाद बाकी की प्रॉपर्टी दिखाते हैं आपको सारी चीज़ें, कैसा क्या एक्सपीरियंस है. So this is the grand lobby. As soon as you enter, you will find this grand lobby. Look at the high ceiling. This is 2 deers all here to welcome you. And from here you move towards left hand side for all the check-in. We had our check-in done in somewhere around 20 to 30 minutes. These are all the check-in desks. And this is the waiting area. So this is where we came. We waited for around 30 minutes and we got our welcome drinks right at the space that is mentioned here. And this is also their bar. You can have a look. You can spend some time here, play some games, because check-in usually takes some time. Check-in is usually at around 3 p.m. but we had requested for an early check-in, so we were able to get our room at 1 p.m. It still took us 30 minutes of waiting time to get in. Yeah, this is the bar area. So right from here, we are moving towards the pool area, which is, I think, one of the most exciting parts for me. There's a big stairs that are here, and it gives you that grand feeling of a big resort. So it's underground, but it feels so grand. There's live music happening right over here. So this is the kids' play area. You can have a look. They've got multiple playing things and stuff. There's a pool table, foosball, table tennis, and this is completely children's zone. You can have a look. You can leave your toddlers here, I think. It's like a daycare kind of thing. Yep. And there's another small TD table right over here. So guys, this is the children's play area. From here, you can have a look. All the toddlers are playing. You can come with your little ones and have a good time. We've got multiple games like these. And from here, now we move towards the main pool area. This is the main pool area. They've got 2 pools and there's a partition in between. Have a look at this pool. So big and beautiful. They made it. Look at the water, it's so clean. And pool comes with this sea view, massive sea view. And this is the other part of the pool. Live music is going on currently and the Marriott logo. So this is the pool area. You can have a look. And guys, this is another bar. So they basically have 2 bars just at the pool side. One on the right hand side and one on the left hand side. This is Surf Up. This is on the left hand side, and you can have sittings with this beautiful view right here. This is one pool slide, kids slide you can find here. Come here, just walk by. And this is one of the beach bar that is located here. You can have a look. They're making some good snacks, it feels like. And this is the kitchen area. Really good vibe of this place also. You can just enjoy some bar snacks here. So we have Mr. Prageet with us, and he's been with this property for a very long time. Let's hear something from him.
We have 198 rooms, and we have 9 suite room and 1 president suite room. Then we have the disabled rooms.
Okay.
And all rooms are non-smoking rooms, and we have a private balcony. All the rooms are facing
All the rooms are
private balcony with ocean views.
Yeah, every room has ocean.
Ocean view, yeah. All the rooms are facing the ocean and with a private balcony.
Yeah. And how many bars and restaurants are here?
We have the Veligam Kitchen, that is the all-day dining restaurant. In lobby level bar, it's called Tides Bar. Nice, very and very beautiful bar with some a la carte menus. Big Fish. It's also quite busy restaurant. It's open for dinner only.
And these surfing boards, people can rent here, or like how is the scene? For
Yeah,
the
this actually not belong to the hotel.
Okay.
The whole community from this village, from this area.
Local community.
Local community. And we also recommend our guests to get surfing lessons and rent boats from them, because which are liable to us. You know, we know them and they know our guests, and they treat the guests nicely. You know, and there's some sort of trust with them.
Alright guys, that was Mr. Prageet, and he told us about his favorite spots and a lot of other things. He's the duty manager here. And as soon as you come here, this is where the property ends and this is where the beach starts. Just Look at this. You can just come down, walk a few things, and here's the, oh, look at the waves coming in. It's crazy. Waves are literally crazy. Just have a look. People are surfing next level. You will find these surfboards and lessons here. I've just got to know the price. So 1,000 rupees if you already know surfing, 1,000 Sri Lankan rupees if you already know surfing, and 5,000 rupees for lesson for 1 hour. So I might take a lesson. We'll see about that. Now going back to the property at the M floor. So this is basically, I think, the first floor here, and all the wellness activities are located here. So guys, here we enter the gym. This is a big gym. Located here. Yeah, not that big, but they have got something amazing. Look, they have got a punching machine that you can use, but good equipments. You can have a look. And this is like nice. Usually gyms don't have this outside space, but this one has, so it's really amazing. All the stuff is there. This part, we usually come to the gym just to record the videos, not to use it. Yeah, but I think we should this year. That is my outfit for today, and this shirt is a special one gifted by a friend of mine, Mowgli. Huge cheers. Move out of the gym. There is this spa on the left hand side. You can have a look. Yeah, it's called Kwan Spa. You can have a look. There's this one cute little bakery on Marriott's signature Melissa Baking Company here. You can enjoy some quick desserts and coffee. This is again on the lobby and on the ground floor. फाइनली चेक इन कर चुके हैं एंड रूम में आ चुके हैं, एंड रूम इतना बढ़िया सुंदर, एंड व्यू तो आई थिंक 10 on 10 है. आई डोंट थिंक ओशन व्यू के साथ अभी तक हम लोग रुके हैं, बट क्या अमेजिंग व्यू है, मज़ा आ गया. एंड हियर इज द रूम टूर. सो एज सून एज यू एंटर देयर इज दिस वार्डरोब एंड प्लेस टू कीप योर लगेज. देयर इज दिस बार में कुछ है नहीं, ऑल्दो कॉफ़ी, आई थिंक क्विक कॉफ़ी वाली चीज़ें दी हुई हैं लोगों ने. नेस्प्रेसो एंड एवरीथिंग इज नॉट प्रेजेंट हियर. एंड लुक एट दिस वॉशरूम, बहुत ही बढ़िया बाथटब लगा रखा है बड़ा वाला, एंड अ ब्यूटीफुल मिरर. और here is the WC. Here is the place to take your bath.
This is the bed, but are you ready to see the most amazing part of this room?
Yes guys, here is the best part. 10 सेकेंड आप वेट करो एंड अभी पूरा रूम का वाइब चेंज हो जाएगा. एकदम कंफर्टेबल काउच यहाँ पे लगा रखा है इन लोगों ने. एंड जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट दिस. क्या ही व्यू दिया है इन्होंने रूम से. दे हैव अपग्रेडेड आवर रूम on a higher floor, so we had requested for it. So yeah, and look at this massive view of the ocean. Wow. So how do you like the room?
Love it. Let me also show you the balcony.
Yeah, there's a private balcony also with every room.
A very big chairs.
Very spacious.
And
But
just
this
look at the
is
view.
the favorite part. Malab, this looks like all that in international videos that you see, music videos. It looks like that. It's massive, grand, and just so peaceful and relaxed. Look, you can have a look at all these people. They are just surfing. Yeah, you can have a look. How do you like the property so far? What are your initial thoughts about it?
Loving it. We are on the 8th floor, and I love the view here. You see everyone surfing around, and you see the swimming pool also from here. There's a bar there, and we'll go in sometime. But it is so peaceful and very nice. It's been raining since morning, and it is still raining. So I am loving this weather right now, and I'm loving this property. I think I'll be sitting here for the rest of the day and just look at the view. Hi guys, तो मैं तो बहुत थक गई हूँ, but नक्श गया surfing करने, and I can see him from here. I'll just quickly show you. Yeah, in the red tee is there. This is his first time. उसका बहुत मन था ट्राई करने का, and he's trying.
और एक गाइस, सुबह इनका ये वाला रह गया था दिखाने के लिए वेलिगामा. यहाँ पे इनका बुफे सेटअप होता है, तो यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट द बुफे. दिस इज द सैलेड बार दैट इज हियर. 3-4 कैटेगरी के आइटम्स हैं. 3-4 कैटेगरी के आइटम्स हैं टोटल. इंडियन है, मेडिटेरियन है, चाइनीज़ है. आई विल जस्ट शो यू अराउंड वंस. यू कैन हैव अ लुक. This is everything. And Asian cuisine. Yeah, here is the Asian cuisine. Everything. You can have a look. We are seeing this. So they've got everything: jeera rice, kolhapuri chicken, paneer kadai, methi vegetable korma, dal makhani, and from here we go towards the Mediterranean section. This is everything Mediterranean that they have. Alright guys, it's evening time and we have just come here in the lawn area and at this beach bar, and we've got our beanbag. We're sitting just adjacent to the ocean view. How did you enjoy the dinner?
Loved it.
Good.
Good
Would you
food.
recommend it?
Yes, yes. Absolutely. You should go try the food.
Plus overall, I think I really loved the overall hospitality at Sri Lanka. Not only here, at every property that we stayed at, people were really kind and nice, and they are actually grateful that tourists are coming here. So that we really enjoyed. And we will show you the breakfast also in the morning. Tomorrow we have our flight, so we are flying back to India. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, सीधे हम लोग आ चुके हैं नाश्ते पे, क्योंकि कल रात में हम काफ़ी लेट सोए थे, प्रॉपर्टी घूम रहे थे बढ़िया, क्योंकि हम एक ही दिन है और इतनी बड़ी प्रॉपर्टी है, इट टेक्स टाइम टू विजिट. बट आज सुबह हम आ चुके हैं ब्रेकफास्ट पे. थैंक यू. एंड व्हाट आर यू हैविंग?
One last time.
स्टिंग हॉपर.
Hopper and string hopper.
कैसा है?
Not spicy है. Coconut sambal. बहुत अच्छा है.
स्टिंग हॉपर.
ऊपर दाल करी और वो डाल के खाते हैं ना potato.
हाँ, दाल करी डाल देंगे इस पर थोड़ी सी. सो गाइस, मैं भी ये लेके आया हूँ. वन एडवाइस फॉर इंडियन पीपल, हॉपर में कोकोनट सांभर डाल लो तो बढ़िया हो जाता है स्पाइसी, और इस पे दाल करी वगैरह तो डाल के खाते हैं ये लोग. सो दैट इज़ रियली नाइस. हाउ डू यू लाइक द ब्रेकफास्ट स्प्रेड? ओवरऑल गुड. So hey guys, we are ready after doing all our breakfast and everything. Our luggage has gone down. We are now flying back to our home, and hope you liked the video. And how was your stay
Yeah.
at this property?
Loved it. I was missing home when I came yesterday, but now that we are going back, I don't want to leave. So yeah, I
Did you
really
recommend it?
Yes, absolutely. Just look at the view. Who
Yeah.
doesn't want to be here and stay for the for more longer duration? So yeah, we absolutely loved the stay. The breakfast was amazing today.
Yeah.
Dinner was also really good last night, and yeah, we really loved our stay here. And overall, we really love Sri Lanka. It's a very very beautiful country to be
Yeah.
here, and as tourists, we really loved it. There are so many things to love about Sri Lanka. So if you have watched all our vlogs till here, then do give us all the love and support. And it's just the beginning of 2025. There's so many more travel plans waiting for us, and we'll keep making videos for you guys.
All right. Do subscribe and do
Like,
comments.
share, subscribe, comment. If you have any doubt
Yeah.
for any of the stays, Airbnbs, hotels, food recommendation, transport, anything, do let us know in the comments below, and we'll get back to you.
Yeah. One last time, I'll show everybody the view. This is the beautiful room, but this is the beautiful view of the sea. With this, we will end the vlog here. I mean, just look at the view. It's almost endless. With this, we will end the vlog right here. Bye bye.